Now let's get specific. First up, a deep dive into one of the most common things you'll face in the lab, chemical spills. These happen more often than we'd like to admit, but that doesn't mean they aren't dangerous. Handling them correctly is a key to preventing a small spill from becoming a big problem. It's important to note that the method of spill cleanup is unique to the material and situation. Not all spills can be treated the same. So, a chemical spill happens. What do? First things first, make sure everyone knows. Seriously, speak up and let people around you know what's going on. Clear out anyone who doesn't need to be in the area. After that, it's about containment. Isolate the spill so it doesn't spread and endanger more people. Then, if authorized, it's time to grab your spill kit and handle it. Respirators are a game changer when the lab work gets messy. Whether it's a chemical spill or something biological, picture a bottle tipping over, chemicals in the air, or an infectious spill with who knows what floating around. That's when a respirator steps up. For chemicals, make sure it's snug with the right filters to keep the fumes out. With biological hazards, you want something that'll block airborne risks. Before an employee can use a respirator, they must be fit tested to ensure adequate protection. It's not glamorous, but when the air turns dangerous, you'll be glad to have it. These kits are lifesavers, literally. They got everything you need to handle the situation. Neutralizers, absorbent pads, gloves, goggles, the whole deal. Start by applying the neutralizer if you're dealing with an acid or base. Once the spill is contained, use the absorbent pads to soak it up. And don't forget, you've got to dispose everything properly according to your lab's protocols. Cleaning up isn't just about making the spill disappear, it's about making sure it's gone the right way. Now, sometimes things go sideways and chemicals get in your skin or in your eyes. When that happens, you don't have time to think, just act. Get to the safety shower or eye wash station and rinse thoroughly for at least 15 minutes. It'll feel like forever, but trust me, you don't want to cut that time short. Once you've done that, seek medical attention right away. Chemical exposure isn't something you want to wait on. Get it checked out immediately. And let's not forget that these are rules for a reason. OSHA has clear guidelines for handling chemical spills, and those guidelines are there to protect you. Make sure you're familiar with safety data sheets, labeling chemicals correctly, storing them properly, and that you know exactly what to do when things go wrong. The system's there to keep everyone safe. Just follow it.